Hi there, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to monitor your internet speed connection using NetSpeed Monitor. In here, I'm using Windows 10. And first download this program, Internet Speed Monitor. If you want to download, you can just go to description. I put link description into there. After you download this program, right click and extract all. Then, this is important information. You must click read me. And where is your system base? I'm using 64-bit, so I install using NetSpeed Monitor 64-bit. If you don't know how your system, you can right click in your computer's name and choose properties. You'll get information about your system base in here. I'm using 64-bit, so I choose NetSpeed Monitor for 64-bit, and I right click in here and click install and click next and click next and accept license agreement. Click next and click next and click install and choose yes. Click finish. Now, do you want the NetSpeed Monitor toolbar on your taskbar? Click yes, or if you click no, you can go to this programs or go to this drive, choose program files and choose NetSpeed Monitor and double click in NSMC in here and choose yes. You can see here your internet speed monitor is like this, and you can monitor the speed connection if you open your internet or doing some uh, job with internet connection. You will get information about speed download and upload in here. This is the important tips. If you cannot run these programs, you can right click in the programs and choose properties. You can see here, you can choose compatibility tab in here and choose run this program in compatibility mode. For you can choose previous Windows, or if doesn't work, you can choose Windows 7 or Windows 8. That's all tutorial how to install and how to monitor your internet speed connection using NetSpeed Monitor in Windows 10. I hope this information helpfully. Thanks for watching and bye bye.